This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dawn Crocker. Welcome home. This lovely home is move-in ready and features dining room, large family room, eat-in kitchen with sitting room, 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The 4th bedroom is also accessible by a separate stairway. The floor plan is spacious with large rooms. Situated on a large lot with fenced-in backyard. Extended driveway for extra storage of a boat, RV, etc. Side-loading oversized 2-car garage. Enjoy mornings and evenings sitting on the charming front porch. Conveniently located near hospital, shopping, and restaurants. New arch. Shingle roof, freshly painted, new carpet and new HVAC. For more information, review the details below.